Hi there. So, as you know, I'm refreshing my backyard, and I had those big black rubber, planters, and they're getting a little bit old in the tooth. So, I wanted to refresh them because, it's a shame to throw them in the waste and ruin the planet, right? So, if you can upgrade them and save the planet, why not? I have those 3D wall panels, PVC, and I put them in my wall in my living room. And, it's very popular now, the waves and all the nice 3D looks. So I thought, let me see how I can put them on planters and do that look without having to do drywall, because obviously outdoors that's not going to work. So these PVC are perfect because they should be weatherproof, right? So with a good glue, outdoor glue, it should work. So I'm going to test that for you and let's see how we can make that work. So I started on my two smaller ones and I'm going to do the bigger one on camera. So let me show you the smaller ones. So I'm doing the wave one for my indoor and I've got that started and I'll show you what that looks like on a different video. And this one, I'm going to show you what I've been thinking how to fill it in. So the grooves on the joining ones. Now this is a tapered one, so it's a little bit trickier, but this one is my big one. It's also tapered, but not as much as this one. So we'll work on this one together. So this is the brand that I've got from Amazon, and I've been using these for a while. It's Paramount Essentials 3D wall panel, and they're fire resistant, eco-friendly, paintable, made from PVC. So I'll show you how easy it is to cut. And you don't need a lot for each planter because you're going to be cutting them in half. And it's economical to use on depending on how many planters you have. And you can buy them in, I think they come in packs of 6 or in 10. So I'll link them below so you can see. Watch how easy this is to cut. Now, if you were to put these on your wall, you can put glue. It's just the rim around that really touches the wall, and a little bit of this, but it is mostly just the frame around that touches the wall. Even alien tape, if you're in a rental property and you wanted to put this on but not permanently affix it, you can put alien tape. I've got this on my ceramic in my bathtub and around my soaker tub. I've put that red tape that you see me use in my videos, alien tape. It's like that double-sided acrylic tape. And I've put it around here and it stayed. Even in hot showers, it's never fallen off. You can put that around depending on, the type of wall you have. It should stay. What I'm using for adhesive is PL Premium Maximum from LE Page. It's construction glue, and that really would work well for outside. Oh, right. I get this all over me, so I have to put this down somewhere. Now it's going to stick up on the top a little bit, but that's okay. Well, at least for me. These are perfect for the bottom. You can use these for the bottom if you had something like this. So what you want to do with the next one is that you want to try to match the pockets to the same design of the pocket to match with the next one. Let me show you what I mean. The design is on both, on the lower half and the upper half. How you cut it is going to matter. So I'm going to cut this way to join this half with this. This glue is very strong. I hope my face isn't red because I had the mask on from sanding the other one. So if you don't want to do these 3D tiles, I forgot to mention that you can use Dollar Tree as an alternative and use the silver party bowls. And you can sort of make a design if you wanted to. And glue these on there. And they also have these smaller ones if you have, they're called mini wave plates. So you can, if you wanted to, I was thinking to show you, is to glue them on, but that's more work in my opinion. So these, I will put a link. They were $30 for a 12 pack. So really, if you're only using two, it's more economical, less work. I don't know in your opinion if it's economical or not, but in my opinion, it's less work to just put a tile on rather than gluing all these little bowls. But if you wanted to, this comes in a 4 pack. I guess you can glue them, this is the way it would look. This way, yeah, obviously if you want this kind of rock look, it would be the way I showed you. That could be an option. That might work, these little mini plates. Okay guys, so right now this is after caulking, and I'm just gonna smooth it down a little bit just with some sandpaper. Don't want to take it off, I just want to smooth it a little bit.